YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Mid-Level 1 Course Evaluation. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the assignment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment: Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Mid-Level 1 Course Evaluation. Here is the project description. You are a data analyst for local university. At the end of each academic semester, you perform statistical analysis on student course evaluations. You want to analyze the results by calculating basic descriptive statistics. You also want to check for a correlation between the student's GPA and course opinion. Last, you will create three statistical charts to visualize your findings. Here is a Excel workbook I have already downloaded from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Mid-Level 1 Course Evaluation. Grader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: use the frequency function in the range H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distribution of course evaluations from the range D4 to D35 based on the frequency bins located in the range G5 to G9. In this cell, you will have to write a function frequency, then pass the range D4 to D35. D4 to D35 are representing course ratings and G5 are course rating. This one. Question number 2 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. Use the standard deviation dot s function to calculate the standard deviation between the current value of all course ratings in cell H12. In this cell, you will have to write a formula equal to standard deviation dot s. Select this range. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is: use the var.s function to calculate the variance between the current values of course rating in cell H13. In this question, you will have to use this formula var.s to calculate the variance. In this cell, you will have to write a function var.s equals to variance dot s function, and then pass this range course rating, Question number 4 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is use the correl function in cell G17 to calculate the correlation between GPA in the range C5 to C35 and course evaluation in the range D4 to D35. In the correlation cell, then pass the range D4 to D35, this range, then click on enter. Then the correlation are calculated now. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is ensure the analysis tool path is loaded. Create a descriptive statistics summary based on the course evaluation in the column D. Ensure the label and summary statistics are included. Display the output in cell G19. Now move to the workbook. In cell G19, data tab, then data analysis tab, then descriptive statistics, click on this, and course evaluation in column D. Select this column D, this one. Ensure the label and summary statistics are included. Labels, then check this, summary statistics, check this, output, range, this one, select this range for output, and press OK. As you can see that the summary statistics are now calculated in this cell. Question number 6 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 7. Number 7 is insert a scatter plot with the course rating as the x-axis value and the GPA as the y-axis value. Be sure to add appropriate chart axis labels. In this question, you will have to insert a scatter plot with course rating. These are the course ratings. Course rating as x-axis and y-axis as GPA. First you select this range course rating, then insert a scatter plot. Then go to the insert tab. insert tab, then we will have to place a scatter plot. This one, click on the all charts, then X and Y scatter. This one, then press OK. Scatter plot are inserted successfully. Be sure to add appropriate chart and axis labels. Question number 7 are completed now. We have now completed 7 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.